रोल कर रहे हो? रोलिंग? हाँ रोलिंग। मलाइका, इट्स रियली गुड टू सी यू हियर। और मतलब आप ये कह रहे हैं ना गलत में, और कि आप बिजनेस वुमन हो गई पूरी तरह।
Sorry?
बिजनेस वुमन हो गई।
Business woman. Well, ये अच्छा है ना, होना चाहिए। अगर आप कुछ अलग करना चाहते हो, आई थिंक इट्स द राइट टाइम टू डाइवर्सिफाई। एंड अगर आप देखो तो आजकल सारे हमारे इंडस्ट्री के सारे औरतें एकदम मतलब बिजनेस वुमन बन गए। दे ऑल डूइंग अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब।
Tell us about what the collection will be. You know, what we can see on the poster, you know, it's really full of life. You know,
It's all very simple, very wearable, very affordable. We have the resort collection. We have a collection for the party season. We're previewing a collection which is for 2014. So yeah, there's a lot. And like I said, they're for women of all kinds of shapes and sizes. We're not restricting it only to the young kids or only for or for the middle age. It's for everybody. There's something for everybody.
what are the things you looked into before starting? How this whole thing happened? You know?
Well, I think fashion and clothing and all is something that I've always loved. I've always enjoyed. But when the opportunity came my way, the Label Corp asked me to be part of their family, and they asked me if I do the closet label. I jumped at it because it just seemed like such an interesting concept. It's something that I never really ventured into earlier. I'd never really got into the e-com of the business or shopping, and it seemed like a different idea to actually go online and shop. And बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है because इतने सारे जो customers जो आते हैं और shop करते हैं online, it's amazing. I didn't even know there are so many people who shop online, but now that I have this, it's good fun.
There are chances of becoming the flagship store in Mumbai, though
वो
it is online.
वो तो अभी पता नहीं है. I think right now that's a little premature for me to be talking about. Right now we're enjoying what we're